Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you how to add music to Facebook profile. So simply just launch your Facebook application on your mobile device and move in the right bottom corner option is the menu and just get in settings and privacy. So after loading you will be just scroll down and finding the audience and visibility, and the second option is profile details. So get in, and if you just scroll down and just finding the music option right over here. So here is the music option, just simply add music. So simply just tab on the top right corner of plus. So from here you will just select it of any, and I will just tab on it this, and I want to just click on the cross button which is left top, and now I will be just tab on the three dots and simply just add to pin to profile, and song has been pinned. And okay, now we will just move in the right bottom corner option menu again and just tab on my profile. So here you will just refresh the multiple times, and after here you will be just get it the song. So in this way you will just have to add music to Facebook profile. So hope this video helped you. Please don't forget to like and subscribe and get notified for more videos.